Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again with a video. And today I'm gonna be reviewing an LED magic wand slash light. Alright? But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And once we get to the 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm gonna start doing some giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. Alright? Alright, now that we got all that business and politics out of the way, let's get to the video. Alright, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views again with another video. And then I ran across something on I was scrolling through the interwebs, checking out, YouTube and everything. I happened to check out, something about lighting. Whoa, blinding everybody. Turn it off. And I saw this bad boy. It's like a little magic wand, but it's actually a light, as you just saw. It's a light, and it can be used for a variety of things. You could use I think it's pretty much marketed towards like being a closet light or something like that. Something you can put in your closet, or you might put under your cabinet or whatever. But also it could be used for if you're a YouTube creator, you do YouTube videos. You could use this as part of your lighting setup. You know what I'm saying? You can have it set up different spots. Like if I want to have it here, I can like to brighten up this part or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I can like turn down the lights in the studio and do all that. Or you know what I'm saying? You can, and it's got different settings on there. But before we get to all that, boy, it's blinding me. It's bright. I'm surprised the little thing is bright. I already got this one opened up, been testing out, checking out and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up the second one because it was like I happened to also get an email saying it was a lightning deal of the day. And I was like, man, it's funny. I've been checking that out, and all of a sudden, it's a lightning deal of the day. Amazon, regular price $16.99. It's the Alpha Home 40 LED Sport Light. On the package it says LED Magic Wand, but I know you can't see that with the glare. LED Magic Wand, but it's a USB rechargeable closet or cupboard light, stick on anywhere, magnetic LED night light, black. Okay, this is the black one, this is the silver one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this new one. Like I say, I've been testing that one out. I'm gonna open up this one, take it out of the package so you can see what all you get in the package. The package is a little dirty. I guess that's from shipping. Take it out. I don't want to get them mixed up. Right, you can't get mixed up, but the components in here. Get that reflective out of the way. As you can see here on it itself, it has the Alpha Home logo. That's what the company is from Alpha Home. Just like a cylinder. This one kind of looks like it's been used, but I think it's just from the rattling around in the package and it's scratching. So the black ones, you're gonna see a lot of scratches on it, because it's just shipping, and that's just how it is. You know what I'm saying? And turn it back off. Right here is where you charge it at, and I'm gonna show you the charge. I'm gonna get all that stuff out in a minute, and that's the power button right there. Light itself, pretty simple. Power one end, charging port other end. So I'm gonna take out what's in the box. I'm gonna show you the box too, because it's got a lot of stuff on the box. On the side of the box, well, front of the box, it says LED Magic Wand, and it shows you different stuff on here. Okay, I got it upside down. Shows you without cables, like you camping or whatever. So you can take a camping, rechargeable battery, and fixation included. I don't know what they mean by fixation, but I mean you got accessories, so you can go ahead and mount it or hook it up somewhere or whatever, mount it somewhere under the cabinet or all that good stuff. Let's see on here. You can pause this and read it for yourself. Like I say, it's a touch switch. There's a touch switch on there. Stepless dimming, 3 scenarios, 3 modes basically. You got a high blind, a night blind touch, or whatever they mean by that. Eye color, temperature, charging functions, 2-year warranty. That's good. Multi-purpose base. You can use it as a study lamp, camping lamp, night running. So if you're running, you want to carry that in your hand, you can run with it or whatever. You could use it for, like, as a mechanic. You could use it working on your vehicle at night. makeup, or all this good stuff on there. Photography lab, SOS, flash, and all that good stuff. And here's the back of it. So try to get it all in the frame. It shows you what I'm going to show you in a minute, how to turn it on and off, and all that good stuff, and what the cables come with. You can plug it into your laptop, the power to charge it up, or into the wall, AC outlet, or to a power bank, which I'm going to use a power bank. And it comes with these mounts, so you can use it. They're actually magnets, so you can go and screw, because it's aluminum, kind of like, not aluminum, but it's like a little steel body. So and then this is what all it comes with. Comes with a micro USB cable, and 3 base holders, and a 3M sticky mount. Alright, so I'm gonna take the stuff out of the box, and see what we got here. So tear this open. I hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. Let's see here. Boy, make it hard to get out, don't they? Alright, take that out, 1 screw. And the only bad thing, only con I see with this charging cable, is that you only got you can only use this particular charging cord to charge it. You can't use any other your little micro USBs you got laying around, USB-C cords. You got to have, so you got to hold on to this cable, because this is going to be the only way to charge it. So I'm glad I got 2. So if I misplace one of the cables, I still got to, the spare to charge the other one up too. So I can still charge them both. But I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Let me show you this stuff that comes with it. This is like the mount. When I first opened the first one up, I was like, what? It's like, there's a magnet right there, but there's not a magnet in here. You can see it's a magnet because the screw is just popping, was sticking to it. And I was thinking that this was all one piece, until I just started moving it around and saw that this is a magnet. This white piece is a magnet, and this is like the little steel piece to hold it down. So and this part comes off, because this is the sticky tape that will go on the back of this if you wanted to mount it somewhere permanently or whatever, like under the cabinet or all that good stuff. So you get these 2 little pieces, the metal piece and a 3M sticky, so you can go ahead and mount it, the 3M sticky, like that, like so, and stick it under something like a cabinet or whatever, and then this part will go like that. It just stick to it. As you can see, it stick to it. So I'm gonna put that sticky to the side and get the light up itself. You see, I'm gonna go ahead and sideways, bam, it's magnet. It's not going nowhere. Like, you have it like this, it's not going nowhere. You have it like this. Now I'm shaking it. You got to really shake it for it to come off. So you see it, I move it around, and that's gonna slide up and down because of the weight. But just having it stationary in place, it's not going anywhere. He's got these little 2 strong magnets right there, so it's not going anywhere. Alright, and like I said, this is the charging cord right here. You take the charging cord and plug it into the bottom of it right here. Bam. Now I'm gonna bring out a power bank. I got my little, I just did a review on this. Go check out my review on this. I did this the review on this power bank there to go. And you go ahead and plug it in here. Bam. Once you plug it in, you should see a light right here. Make sure I got it plugged all the way in. Yep, it's plugged all the way in. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me turn down some of these lights in the studio so you can see that. Bam. You can see that red light, solid red light, lets you know that it's charging. Now, I have the, whoa, came apart on me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you see that? See that? It came apart on me. So be careful. That's what that little white button is for. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. But for the price I paid for it, is what it is. But it's still working. So let me go ahead and show you. The other one is fully charged. I didn't have that problem with this one. You see that red light? It's still red. It should go to fully charged in a second because I really haven't been using it, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave it plugged up, and then I'm gonna come back and show you that it should be showing fully green. But get this out of the way. Turn the lights back on the studio. Now you could tell this is live because when I pulled this apart, I was not expecting that to come apart like that. So that, I'm guessing that's what that's for. So for whatever reason, oh, it was this side. It was this side. That's what that's for. So when you pull it out, let me get the other cord, because I got the other cord laying right by me, so I can go ahead and plug it in. See if I had that problem again. Okay. Maybe that was just a fluke thing when that thing came out, but you seen it here live. So, after seeing that, I wouldn't pay no more than $10 for this thing. I wouldn't pay if they have the regular price of $16.99. Catch it when it's on the lightning deal of the day. Don't pay full price. You know what I'm saying? But for what it is, for what you're gonna be doing with it, and it's not gonna probably happen to you often because you see I'm taking it out, trying to see if it's gonna pop out again. And it's not, so. It is what it is. All right, let me show you. I'm gonna show you. I got it already turned on. Let me turn the lights down in the studio. As you can see here, it's got the touch sensor up top. So one touch on that has like you have your like your daytime and your kind of orange lighting on there. Another touch. You got your like your daylight light, and this is not full brightness now. I just just turn it on, and then the next click you have your all like your orange light, more warm light, and then the next click it's like a SOS, like a flashing thing. All right, and then one click off. All right, now we're gonna take it to full brightness. Now I have my little color lights on the side in the studio where I'm going off, but check this out how this is gonna overshadow them. Turn it on. It's got both of them. I'm going to put it on the daylight. And then hold it until you get to full brightness. This thing is blinding. It overshadows those other lights. See how blinding it is? Let me turn it down. Turn it back all the way down. And you don't see any flicker too. That's a good thing. You don't see any flicker in it. So this is a good light to have. Like I said, you go on camping or something like that, or you like say you want to put it in your closet, have a closet light or whatever, or under your cabinet. This would be a good light for that. Let me turn it all the way up on the orange light. This thing is bright for what this little size. You gotta check it out in person. But let me turn it down. For the size of the thing is, this thing is throwing off some light. Took off that flashing, and I'm gonna turn it all the way up with both the orange and the white light. This thing is blinding. Now it's not as blinding on that one as it is on this one and in that one. When they combine together, man, you can see how it's lighting up everything. So I got the studio lights turned off except for my little color lights on the side. This is pretty neat. Let me turn it off. Turn it off. There you go. So this is a pretty decent. This is a pretty decent little light. You know what I'm saying? It's inexpensive. Cheap. No, they don't cost an arm and a leg. Just if you need like a little light to help out with your doing some YouTube videos, you want to try to lighten up your set or whatever. Or like I say, it's marketed for a closet or under the cabinet. If you're looking for something cheap, inexpensive, you know what I'm saying? I keep turning the bad boy on. Turn it off. You gotta be careful because the touch pad on here is very, very sensitive. So if you're looking for something inexpensive, something you can mount, like say, get your little magnet you want to mount under the cabinet or something like that, this would be a pretty decent pickup. You know what I'm saying? As long as you don't pay over, over $20 for it, you don't pay, $10, well, I would go. I'm trying to figure out how much did I pay for it on the lightning deal? Yeah, it was like $12 a piece versus $16.99. So I got both of these lights for $21. Now regular price on one light is $16.99. So I managed to get two of these for $21, so you say $22. You know what I'm saying? It's 21 and some change. So got 2 of them, so I got a good deal. So basically, I got almost like a buy one get one free. So is that green light on here? Because it should be charging. Yeah, it's still charging. Let's see. Remember, I was going to show you the green light on here. Yep. No, it's still red. It's still red, but it turns green when it's fully charged. So I'm not going to make you guys wait to see that. The video already getting too long. But anyway, yeah, you're looking for like a small little light from a company called Alpha Home. Check them out. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box where you can go check them out for yourself. Like I said, I saw these on YouTube. Somebody was using these and demonstrating how bright they are. This is a decent pickup. All right, decent pickup. Like I say, I appreciate everybody taking out time to check out the video and just rambling through. Just still trying to get things situated in the new area for the new year. So thank you guys for checking out the time to check out the video. Appreciate your time. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Once we get to 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be giving away some of the products that I review like on the channel. You know what I'm saying? Some of these products I review, I'm gonna be giving them away once I hit that 2,000 subscriber mark. All right. So subscribe. All right. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right. And the message for today is, don't be that person that always makes people feel obligated to do what you want them to do. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Be prepared, you know, think about how others feel, how, your decisions might affect others and everything. You know what I'm saying? Don't make people feel like they're obligated to do this, do that, whatever. You know, think about other people before thinking about what you want. Don't let your wants and desires drive your decision making. You know, and because your wants and desires will affect others sometime in a negative way. So don't be thinking that, oh, you want people to do what you want them to do or go where you want them to go. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't make people feel that way. You know what I'm saying? Your desires can have a negative effect on others. So be careful about what you do and how you do it. And you know what I'm saying? Don't be that person to make people feel like they got to do this, they got to do that. All right? All right. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. And drop the mic. I'm out. Peace.